poppin', man? I'm back with another video, another POV vid, man. Been a long time. I've been slacking, but I'm back. You feel me? Let these windows down a little bit. We gone. I ain't waiting for you right now. Oh shit. Damn. Yeah, man, I'm leaving work. Oh yeah, I want y'all boy to comment and what should I go with, Whipple or the regular Hellcat Supercharger? I was thinking twin turbo as well, but I don't know about this shit. I kinda wanna hear that whine, motherfucker, you feel me? Turbo sound good, but I wanna hear that whine. Can't lie. Can't lie. Get over, damn. Get over here. Hell. No, y'all shopping back there. By the way, I'm pushing 500 horses, just in case y'all didn't know. 500 horsepower RT Charger. Okay. Yeah, man, how y'all boy been doing, man? You know what I'm saying? I ain't been cool, ain't heard from y'all boys in a little minute. What this is right here? Oh, this is a BMW. Mustang right here, little pony. Little Marrow. Bunch of boots. And I'm thinking on the highway. And I'm thinking on here. So I was gonna record yesterday morning when I got out of work, but man, it was raining hard as and I ain't ready to die. And I don't want to crash my car, so I keep it at a minimum. Feel me? Gotta get out. My God! Wow! Had to. Every time, decline it. Hold on, bro. Yeah, y'all put gas in that motherfucker. Every goddamn. Oh my god. Oh. A little sideways. A little sideways. Get a little sideways. Man, too early for this. 5:13 in the morning, nigga. Already blowing like crazy out here anyway, so they gonna make it 10 times worse. I just hope that my audio ain't. So when I was driving, I could barely hear myself. I could barely hear myself think on some shit. See how much that bitch gonna spend. I can make a little big stop on my damn turn right here. I'm gonna try it though. Yeah, my turn there, right there. Let me see. What's up. I might keep going. Get further ahead. Let's see. That little motherfucker got sideways. Oh, I got scared.
I don't give a fuck. I don't give a fuck.
Fuck. No, that bitch did get sideways though. Shit. I ain't even hit them like that. Yeah. But road racing on that dig. Nope. Nope. I've been in damn smack some shit, smacked a tree. Been in goddamn climbed a tree out this motherfucker. Oh shit, man. Long live work. Night. Damn, I need to clean my damn camera off. I ain't see shit. God damn, boy, I be spinning doing every goddamn thing. I can't even bag up. They can't even bag up and pee. Oh shit. Get out the car. She a little dirty, so don't be, you know what I'm saying? Don't be judged by my baby nigga. How this motherfucker look. How this motherfucker look at here. Look at that motherfucker. Damn. I bad back to that fuck. Oh yeah. Oh, she still sitting pretty. But yeah, man, let me get in the car real quick so y'all boy can hit me good. Feel me? Yeah, but y'all boy, make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, and again, man, I want y'all boy to comment whether I should go Whipple, regular Hellcat supercharger, fuck it, twin turbo. I really want a supercharger, Whipple or the Hellcat supercharger. I really want them motherfuckers. I ain't really looking to make too much power. I just want the sound. I just want the what the fuck? You know some shit. yeah, bro. Again, y'all boy, like, comment, subscribe, man. We're on the road to what, 5K? What I'm at right now? 3? I'm at 3. Fuck it. On the road to 10K, man. So yeah, man. I love y'all niggas. Females too. I know a couple females that watch. But yeah, man. Shit. I'm back and shit. I'm trying to get consistent, man. Try to at least post at least 3 to 5 videos a week. Whether it's reaction videos, me POV drive, me driving my shit, or me putting on different parts. I got a real diffuser, some side skirts, and a lip that I gotta put on. I got sitting up in the house just collecting dust. I ain't got a chance to put on yet because I've been a little busy with work and all that shit. But yeah, like, you know what I'm saying? Me putting on car parts, the supercharger shit or the Whipple twin turbo. I can't do. Look, I'm gonna try my best to, you know, I want to do it myself, but I don't want to fuck that up. Cause I know if I do it myself, I'm gonna fuck it up. Cause I ain't really like did too much work on the engine, nigga. I mean, shit. I know what everything is, but I ain't never like, you know, replace no shit under the engine, you know. Yeah, nah, I'm good on that. I don't want to mess it up. So matter of fact, if y'all know somebody that can install Hellcat, not Hellcat, shit, superchargers or twin turbos, tag them in my video, or you know what I'm saying, hit my my Instagram DM, something made DJ, hit that motherfucker, cause I'm looking like I'm gonna spend a bag, cause so, you know what I'm saying, just tag motherfuckers in here, so, you know what I'm saying, I can get this process, you know. But yeah, once I figure out what I want to go with, and I'm gonna head from there, man. I'm head from there. But yeah, man, I love y'all, gentlemen and women. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe again, man, and comment what y'all want to see and the options I gave y'all. Pick out them options, and I'm out.
Yo lo mareja. Eso. Bye, have a great time.